A tank is filled with water to a height 12.5 centimeter. I shall draw it. It's a tank filled with water up to a height 12.5 centimeter. Okay. Then a needle is lying at the bottom. So at the bottom there is a needle. So can you see it like this? When something is kept here, it appears to be raised. Okay. So this is a position of needle now. This is a position of needle here. Then to observe the needle, you are using a telescope. It is given. So it is apparent depth is measured using a telescope. So this is a position of telescope. Okay. This is the first position of telescope. Am I right? So you are observing your needle here, and depth measured is 9.4. So this depth measured is 9.4. Okay. So 9.4. Then next, what is the refractive index of water? It is a question. How will you find the refractive index of water? Refractive index. What is the equation? Real depth divided by apparent depth. Apparent depth means depth we feel. Real depth is 12.5. Apparent depth is 9.4. So 12.5 divided by 9.4. You are getting the answer as 1.33. So this is a refractive index of what? It is the first section. Now, what is the refractive? If the water is replaced by another liquid of refractive index 1.63. So the water is replaced by another liquid, then the liquid is to the same level, 12.5 centimeter. Then refractive index of that liquid is given. Then by what distance would the microscope have to be moved to focus the needle again? See, the next case, you are using the same equation. See, refractive index of new liquid is equal to real depth divided by apparent depth. Then refractive index it is given 1.63 is equal to real depth is 12.5 divided by apparent depth. I don't know what it is. So if from this cross multiplication you are getting apparent depth is equal to you will get the value as 7.66 centimeter. Okay. So in the new liquid, the needle appears to be here. So this is the position of needle. The depth of the needle is 7.66 centimeter. Okay. So to observe it, the telescope is to be placed here. So this is a new position of telescope, position number 2. See, this is observed at a depth 7.66. Initial position of telescope is position number 1. New position of telescope, position number 2. They have asked you what? How much distance you have to move. So from this to this, how much distance is to be moved? So they have asked this distance. So how can you find this? This is 9.4. This is 7.6. So what is this distance? What is this distance? 9.4 minus 7.66. So you are getting the answer as 1.74 centimeter.